Hello everyone. Today I want to show you Smad's three-way refrigerator. The capacity of this refrigerator is 60 liters and its width is 46 centimeters with a depth of 48 and a height of 67.5 centimeters. The material of this refrigerator is stainless steel, and the reason we call this a three-way refrigerator is because it can be powered by three different sources of energy. That is the DC current, the propane gas, and the AC current. You can see the dials and the switches here on top of the refrigerator. The refrigerator comes with the 12-volt DC cord, a tube and regulator for the propane tank or gas source, and also, in case you want to put it indoors and up against the wall, you can use these for exhaustion. You simply put this part here and connect it to this pipe and pass it through the wall and fix it using these pads here. This way the fumes exhausted from the fridge will directly go outside the building. And as you can see, this is our three-way refrigerator, and if you're interested, don't hesitate to call us.
Okay.